What's up, guys? Welcome to my first ever cold calling video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I book 2 to 3 meetings a day with cold calling. And just to prove it to you guys that anyone can do it, I brought my friend Johnny here, who's a complete beginner. And I'm going to do the first cold call, and then he's going to follow my script and do the next couple cold calls and book 2 meetings. So I'll book 1 meeting, he'll book 2. And then by the end of this video, you're going to leave with a script and an exact structure that you can use to book your first couple meetings and close your first couple clients for web design. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video.
Let's get it.
Hello?
Hey, is this landscape?
Yeah, it is.
Hey, I'm located in South Calgary. I just found you guys on Google. Fantastic reviews, by the way. And I noticed you didn't have a website, so I just went ahead and built you one from scratch if you just have 5-10 minutes to see it.
I'm not super interested in a website at the moment.
I totally hear you, and most of my clients say the exact same thing before they actually see the website and it's actually able to bring them more clients. Like I said, it's already built. If you have 5-10 minutes, even right now, I'll just share my screen, show it to you.
You said like you already built the website for me.
Yep, already fully built. I'll just show it to you. If you like it, we can publish it. If you don't, I'll go kick rocks.
Yeah, I guess like would you be able to just like send me the link and I could take a peek at it and let you know?
I really wish I could do that, but it's actually like hosted on my laptop since it's not published yet. So the only way we'll be able to do that is like I just share my screen and show it to you. So like even if you have like 5-10 minutes right now, I could just show it to you if you want. Or we could also do it like a bit later or another day.
Yeah, how long will it take?
Less than 10 minutes, maybe like 15 max.
Okay, I'm just about to jump into a meeting here, so I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, we can like hop in a call here as long as it's quick and won't take too long. I can take a peek at it, I guess.
Perfect, sounds good. I'll send you over an invite. The email I have here is Brandon at.
Yeah, that works.
Perfect. I'll send you over an invite. And okay, I'll be waiting in the room. I guess you'll join in like 15 minutes.
Yeah. I just ran into a meeting here and then I'll join up.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. And the name is Brandon, right? Brandon.
Yes.
Fantastic. Well, my name is Abou. Nice to meet you, and I'll see you in 15 minutes. Super excited to show it to you.
All right, brother. We'll chat in a minute here.
Sounds good. Bye.
All right. Bye.
Look at
that. That was nice. I can't lie. That was tough.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is Johnny. I came across your website earlier and I noticed a few things that needs to be improved. So I went ahead and made you a brand new website from scratch for completely free. It's already done. I just want to see if you have 5 to 10 minutes today or tomorrow to take a quick look at what I've made you.
What's the cost of that?
I mean, it really does depend on the page, but I do like that's the thing we're going to be also talking about as soon as you see the website.
200 to 5,000.
But
tomorrow I'm not good at all. It's at least Tuesday. I got my kids week on, week off, and I got them Friday.
fair enough. Yeah, just let me know what day you're free and the time, then I can book it here on my calendar.
Tuesday will be good.
Tuesday?
Mm-hmm.
Tuesday, what time are you thinking?
Afternoon.
Around 12 o'clock works?
Yep.
Perfect. What email would be the best to send you the Google Meet link to?
Just call me back, buddy.
Just give you a quick text? Perfect. I'll go ahead and do that then. Just a heads up. I've spent quite a bit of time working on this website, so I just want to confirm that you're sure you can make it at noon so we don't waste each other's time or anything.
Noon Tuesday should work, yep.
Perfect, Winston. I'll go ahead and text you on Tuesday then.
Thank you.
All right, buddy. Bye-bye. Someone's calling me and I don't know who. We're just going to answer. Hello?
Hi there, it's Iqbal from. I have a missed call from you.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. This is Johnny. I noticed you didn't have a website showing up online. Or am I looking at the right website here? Oh, never mind. I see the website. Actually, I came across your website earlier and I noticed a few things that needs to be improved. So I went ahead and built you a brand new website from scratch for completely free. It's already done. I just want to see if you've got 5 to 10 minutes to take a quick look at it, buddy.
Oh, okay. Can we like call on discuss something else because I'm right now at work. So
Sorry? No, you could tell me like the day you're available to take a quick look at it. I could book it on my calendar and we can just, I can just show you exactly what I've made for you.
I'll be like Tuesday or Wednesday, brother.
What, Tuesday or Wednesday you said?
Yeah.
Does Tuesday work?
Yeah, sure.
Tuesday, let me check my calendar here. I got a meeting at 12. Does it work before 12 or after 12?
I would say after 12.
Okay, let's do a 1 then. 1 p.m. works?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect. What email would be the best to send you the Google Meet link to?
Gmail.com.
Can you repeat that again? You cut off for a sec.
Roofing Inc.
Yeah,
at gmail.com.
at gmail.com. Perfect. Got that. Just a heads up. I spent quite a bit of time working on this website, so I just want to confirm you're sure you can make it at on Tuesday, just so we both don't waste each other's time there.
Yeah, okay.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I'll see you on Tuesday then.
Okay,
All
bye.
right. See you later.
Yo guys, thank you so much for watching the video. It's a little outro right now. If you are curious about how to actually build the website and the mock-up in like 5 minutes very quickly, I'm gonna put a video like right here on the YouTube thing so you can like watch it. But if you did enjoy, make sure you follow my Instagram. I post some cold calls and there's so much value on the web design as well, and you're also helping me grow. So thanks for watching the video and I will catch you guys later. Let me know in the comments what video you want to watch.